The theme was the future. We decided to put responsibility to the algorithm of the dog. A lot of videos that you will see, we actually didn't see.
Citizens of the world. This is a message from Anonymous to the good people of Slovenia and the world.
We're looking forward to doing business with you.